from SMK 10 Surabaya.
Proses pembuatan peraga.
Here, I will tell you the history of the founding of the Red Cross. Do you know what is the Red Cross? The Red Cross is an activity related to blood donation, disaster emergency response, and first aid. So, the Red Cross is a humanitarian organization. Then, do you know how the history of the birth of the Red Cross? I will telling you. Once upon a time, on June 24, 1859, there was a battle between France and Austria which took place in Solferino, Italy. The battle resulted in 40,000 casualties, while medical personnel was not enough to treat for the victims at that time. Then, a Swiss businessman named Jan Henry Gannen was there for his business. He was the battle, feeling sorry for the lack of medical personnel. Then, his sense of humanity moved, and he also invited local residents to care for the victims of the war. After that, he returned to Swiss, but his journey in Solferino made an impression on his heart. So, in 1862, he wrote a book, A Memory of Solferino. And that is the story of the founding of the Red Cross. He also put forward two ideas in his book. The first idea to form an international humanitarian organization. And the second, enter into international agreements to protect wounded soldiers. In 1863, welfare citizens of the city of Genoa who joined with Henry Gannen to develop the first idea. And together, they finally formed ECRC, International Committee of the Red Cross. In its development, to carry out humanitarian activities in its country, a volunteer organization was established to assist the medical section of the organization, which is now called the Red Cross or Red Crescent. Next, how the Red Cross come to be in Indonesia? The Red Cross in Indonesia started before World War II. To be precise, on October 21, 1873. The Dutch colonial government established the Dutch Red Cross Efteling Indy. But they disbanded when Japan came to power. When Japan came to power, they again tried to form a national Red Cross but failed. Then, on 3 September after Indonesia independence, President Sukarno issued an order to form a national Red Cross. And finally, the Indonesian Red Cross was successfully formed on 17 September 1945, led by Dr. Muhammad Hatta. And that is the story of how Red Cross was founded. How? Very cool, right? So, let's increase your humanity by joining a humanitarian organization. That is for me, more or less sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.